week I posted a clip on creating a new raised bed, and I had a few questions about how we filled it. So I thought I'd just do a quick video on how we are filling our raised beds at the moment. So I've already done a podcast on this, and also if you head to our website you can actually grab my little recipe plan. You can download it and it actually has the quantities and everything. But our method is basically a no-dig layer method, lasagna method, and we use pretty much what we've got lying around. So we don't buy in any soil from anywhere. We just use what we've got. So we've filled our fair share of raised beds in the past, and we've made a lot of mistakes along the way to finally sort of arrive at this method. In the past we've bought the cheap potting mix and everything's just died. We've also even gone to a landscape supplier and gotten the best of the best veggie patch mix for it to pretty much do the same thing as the cheap stuff. So this is our method that we use now, and it is ready to plant pretty much straight away. We let it settle a little bit, but really it's good to go. Veggies start growing really well straight off the bat. So we don't normally put like a weed mat or a barrier down, but because we've got some neighboring trees that invade our gardens, we've started doing that. From there we go around the garden and we do some trimming. So we've got a lot of perennial basils, sometimes we're trimming down rosellas or sunflowers, whatever sort of big sticks we can find, that's what we use as our base. So from there we just layer it up with layers of homemade compost, manure, and then sugarcane mulch, and then we do it again and we top it with our best compost right on the top. So we keep our costs down by using what we have locally and also what we've got laying around. So it makes it a lot cheaper, but it's also really good and ready to go. So if you don't have access to your homegrown compost, you can just buy sort of a mix of different brands. I wouldn't go out and buy all of the one thing. I find that if you do that, it puts all your eggs in one basket, so it's better off to have a mix of different brands, you know, ranging from the premium to the really cheap stuff, and just mixing it all and getting a really diverse soil mix. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you like it, please like the video and make sure you subscribe to our channel.